Today we'll be working on my 1995 Grand Marquis. I've nicknamed this car Buford, I don't know, T or D, I don't know. But this is Buford, my 1995 Grand Marquis. The passenger side steering wheel has a bit of a wobble, and one of the lug studs is short. So I went ahead and bought a wheel hub and a hub bearing assembly from Amazing. The pair was like $40, so we're gonna get this a nice little try. I also picked up this from Harbor Freight the other day. I already have a 3/8 one. This one has lasted me like I think 5 years or something like that. I've been having this as long as I've been knowing my wife. So yeah, about 5 years. We've been together about 5 years, so that thing has been good to me. Sweet. All right. Oh, that looks like that needs some grease. Okay, I may have to replace that. Pads look okay. Oops. Golly, I saw online these things are torqued to like 188. So that's crazy work. Bro, what? I kid you not, I thought that was gonna be way harder. Okay. Sweet. Nice. There we go. That looks pretty. Nice. Look at that. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all the little dwarf stud. Yeah, this is very unsafe. Can't believe I was doing that for a while. But yeah, look at that. That's pretty. Roller back on. Now I'll be torquing this down after I put the wheel on, and the weight of the car is on the wheels. Oh, there we go. I almost had a panic attack. I was like, oh, these wheel bearings don't fit, bro. No. Gotta turn my wheel so I can torque those. Caliper anchor 125. All right. Take this bad boy right back over. I just opted to put these on the outside because they are better looking. Wheel bearing hub and an adapter. Put on a 1995 Grand Marquis. I hate my GoPro died, but yeah, I gotta move to the other one. I don't have a sign off yet, so goodbye. So happy I don't live in a breast belt. Let's go. It's greased and everything, but look at that. Dwarven lug stud. See that? Let's get it!